It's not a surprise. Money is not an easy thing to come by these days. In order to earn a few $100s, you must really put in your work for it. But what if I told you that you can earn a few dollars with just a few clicks? 5, 10, or even $20 can come rolling into your account with just a few buttons. I know, $5 doesn't really sound much, but you'll see in today's video that this amount is not something to ignore. These few dollars can add up rather quickly, and they can actually end up into more than $100 or $200. All this in just the click of a few buttons. If you're interested, stick with me because I'll show you how to earn easy money. Make sure to stay until the end of this video so you won't miss out on any steps with this method. Welcome to Money Anytime, where we share money-making tips and tricks through online means. The methods and ideas that we will share are guaranteed up-to-date and surely doable at home so you can earn money anytime. So if that's what you're looking for, don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be the first to know what next money-generating tricks we've got up our sleeves. You can also leave a comment below if you've got questions or other methods that you want to learn about. But for now, let's go back to the video. So in order for this method to work, you will first need to go to enrollapp.com. It is a website that is high in demand right now, particularly for those who want to make money without technical skills or experience. It's 100% legit. Now, Enroll App is a website that allows you to take tests and earn money while taking these tests. But before you start worrying, these tests are not the kind of tests that will need expert knowledge. These tests are simple yes or no questions about different companies to let them know what consumers might think about their services. Think of these questions as a simple survey. And yes, just by answering these surveys, you can start racking up the dollars via PayPal in no time. Don't worry, you don't need a desktop computer to do this technique. You can simply use your tablet or even your mobile phone to complete the task at whatever time is convenient for you. I'll show you how you can start with Enroll App in a bit, but I just want to know, what kind of tests did you dread taking in school? Personally, I really hated tests that would require you to identify or name the answer on your own. I'd rather enjoy multiple choice questions because they let me have the options already. Comment down your answers below, I'd love to hear from you as well. Now on the Enroll App homepage, you will see its tagline, "Let's make the web a better place." This is because your primary mission is to answer surveys that would determine the satisfaction of consumers across the web. So in order to do that, you first have to create an account. Like in most websites, you will be required to enter your email and create a password. It says on the website that your password requires at least 8 characters, at least 1 capital letter, at least 1 symbol, and at least 1 number. A combination of these characters will help create a strong password. After all that, you will need to confirm your email first, which is simply done by checking your inbox and clicking on the button that says "Confirm my account" from the email that Enroll App will send you. Again, like in any other website, they will ask you to fill out your details such as your full name. You will notice that there is a progress bar on top of the screen. This will track your progress every time you complete a task. After the completion of a task, your progress will move forward. Immediately after filling out your details, you will already be given a task. But don't worry because these first few tasks are all about you and your personal information. You don't need to feel anxious about sharing such information though, because this website is completely safe and legit. Now here's the important part about answering your personal preferences on the website. Make sure that you check "Send me tests as soon as possible" for your testing availability, as this will help you get more tests and in return get more points. After you complete the first task, which is essentially just filling out your personal information, you will get redirected to your dashboard. Here, you will see another progress bar. In the progress bar, the cow will move forward every time you take a test or complete a task. However, these tests become available every once in a while only. Fortunately for you, I discovered a little trick while working on the website that will help you earn extra cash prize and bonus money, so keep on watching. Before we get onto that, I have a quick survey of my own. Comment down below in the comment section with a cow emoji if you have subscribed to my channel already. If you haven't, comment below with a crying emoji. This survey will let me know how many of our viewers have subscribed to the channel. Well, if you haven't subscribed yet, go do it right now. While you're at it, hit the notification bell so that you'll get notified every time we release a new video. Now, back to the vid. So on your dashboard, you will see the progress bar. Just below the progress bar is a section for polls which will ask you random questions which you can either answer with yes or no or with multiple choices. Once you answer, you'll see the statistics of how many people answered the same as you or otherwise differently than you. Now you have to make sure that you stack up on answering these polls. It is important that you answer these polls because the more you answer them, the more points you'll get. You will notice that the more you answer, the farther the cow will go and the closer it will get to the finish line. You will see how many polls you have answered in real time as it will continue adding the numbers. You can do this as many times as you like. The sky's the limit when it comes to answering these polls. Remember, the more questions you answer in these polls, the more points you'll make. The more points you garner, the more money you'll earn. Now looking at the menu bar at the top of the screen, you will see that there are other tabs in your Enroll account. Currently, you are in the dashboard. Beside it, you will see your achievements and financials. In the Achievements tab, you will be able to see the total number of points you have and the number of badges you've earned. You'll also see that the first mission is Earth, which, according to the website, is the beginning of your adventure through Enroll. In order to get to the next mission, you must complete tasks and earn badges to advance. For 30 days in a row, you will need to complete at least 5 minutes worth of answering the polls on your dashboard. Being active will earn you points, so make sure that you don't miss out on a day of answering polls and tests. And that's it! Earning money has never been easier with Enroll. With just a few yes or no questions, you'll see that you rack up the dollars in no time. And that brings us to the end of our video. Thank you so much for staying until the end. If you love content such as this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell because I've got more videos in store for you. Hit the like button and comment what you want to hear from our channel next. Good luck and see you in our next video.